Sometimes it's good to be at the bottom, like finding that prize in your cereal box or getting the last scoop from the ice cream carton. But when it comes to school funding, being at the bottom hurts. And that's exactly where St. Michael Albertville sits, almost last in funding of all Minnesota school districts. We get less money per student than almost every other school in the state. We know school funding is complicated, so let's break it down. Most of our funding comes from the state, but their formulas give very different amounts to each district based on three main factors: enrollment, inflation, and categorical aid. Enrollment. The state pays per pupil. While STMA grew rapidly in the early 2000s, our numbers have leveled off, and so is our funding. Inflation. State funding hasn't kept pace with inflation since 2005. If it had, STMA would receive an extra $9.5 million every year, enough to fund 119 teachers. Categorical aid. This is extra state money based on complicated rules made by lawmakers. STMA kids don't qualify for much of it, leaving us $14 million short each year compared to the state average. That's 170 teachers we can't afford. To make matters worse, our local taxpayers pay more than families in other districts. Because STMA has few businesses to share the tax burden, it falls heavily on homeowners. We're grateful for the community support that passed our levy and bond, but we know the impact on your wallets. The bottom line, to maintain STMA's tradition of excellence, we need a fair funding system, one that doesn't punish families based on where they choose to live. All students deserve equitable support and opportunities to succeed. Want to help? Write, email, or call your elected officials. Find their contact information on our STMA website.